Assalamu alaikum. Hello everybody. I hope you all are doing well. So today I'm going to paint this portrait with acrylics. I wanted to use masking fluid for a long time, and now that I have, I'm going to give it a go, even though I really don't need it for this portrait, but I really wanted to see how it impacts a painting, and just for the sake of using it. Yeah, that's me. It's a good thing though, you can really save some regions without getting touched by paint. And I think it is very effective for watercolor portraits where you really sometimes can't control the color bleed. So I'm just applying everywhere I think I need it, even though I know that I'm gonna regret it. Anyway, just remember that you have to let it dry first and then you can start painting. Today I'm so happy that I'm finally painting this portrait because I really wanted to paint it for like a year, but life happened and I forgot about it, or got busy in other things, so I couldn't do it. But today I was like, I have to do it no matter what. So it's a happy day. While painting this portrait, I realized that procrastinating was dangerous than a bad art, right? Like, what more can happen? You're gonna ruin a paper or a canvas or some paint, but the experience will stay with you forever. So I think it's always worth a try. Mistakes are better than doing nothing. So see, I've learned this quite late. I should have painted this sooner, but anyway. So if you are anything like me, just follow along this video, grab whatever medium you have, any pencil, paper, paint, whatever you have. You can even start painting with your fingers if you don't have any brush. Just start it, do it, and see if you feel good. And pat your shoulder when you feel good, because you will. It'll be worth a shot. Try it, guys, trust me. always remember that when working on a paper, let the first layer dry completely before starting to work on the second layer, because it will ruin your paper. I completely forgot that I have applied masking fluid and I have to remove it, so let's do it. And I'm using a brush, and as expected, I am regretting it. But anyway, now I have to fix it. I hope you all like it. If you do, please consider subscribing my channel, like my videos, share it with your friends and family, and thank you so much for your support. Bye bye.